Hi, I'm Dean.
And I'm Ann. We are A&D Adventures on Timber Mountain.
So what we're doing here is we're finally finishing off the kitchen mudroom area to close it off, and then we're going to be able to start the bedroom, the two bedrooms on the other side of the slab, and the master bathroom.
Now that the mill is fixed, because we got the clutch in, that we are able to finish up this area and mill it, the logs, so that we can put them in place. As you can see here, it's not always easy getting those logs up in place.
That poor little Kubota, I'll tell you, it's an L39, and she has her work cut out for her. It's working pretty good, but as you can see, I have to resort to picking one end up, putting it up, and then using the other one, the other end.
It's not always easy getting them up, but we managed to do so. And here we've got the last piece put in so that we can finish the floorboards or the ceiling boards on top so that it's completely enclosed.
Eventually, what will happen is we'll have to rent a crane or a man lift or something to hoist up the upper floor roofing system.
And as you can see, we finished the boards and we're tarping it off so that if there's any rain, it doesn't affect our building. Here, Dean's starting to make the round archway for the passage through into the kitchen. If you like these videos, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. We greatly appreciate it, and it doesn't cost anything to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and we hope you enjoyed our video.
Thank you.